Pieces can turn your recent activity into a personalized news briefing. This is today's headlines. Instead of showing you generic news, Pieces looks at memories based on your real work and surfaces stories related to topics that you've been focused on. When you click today's headlines, Pieces analyzes your recent memories and generates a curated set of headlines connected to your professional world. These headlines are grouped by topic, making it easy to quickly scan developments in the areas you've been spending time in. For example, if your work recently involved AI tools or developer infrastructure, you might see headlines about new integrations, platform updates, or industry announcements. If your work has been more focused on business or finance, your headlines may highlight market shifts, company milestones, or economic news. Each headline includes a short summary of what happened and why it matters, along with a link to the original source so you can explore the story further. Because these headlines are built from real memories Pieces has formed from your work, they always stay aligned with what you're researching, building, or learning about. Instead of searching across dozens of websites, newsletters, or feeds, Pieces services the news that matters to you automatically. Download Pieces for free at pieces.app and start using single-click summaries today.